On day 1, we reached Udaipur from Gujarat in the afternoon. After having our lunch at the hotel and freshening up a little, we still had around 3 hours of time before sundown. So the first place we visited is the Saheliyon Ki Bari. Saheliyon Ki Bari, or the Garden of the Maidens, is a major garden and a popular tourist space in Udaipur in the Indian state of Rajasthan. It lies in the northern part of the city and has fountains and kiosks, a lotus pool and marble elephants. It was built by Rana Sangram Singh II. Saheliyon Ki Bari was laid for a group of 48 maidens. This garden is located on the bank of the Fateh Sagar Lake, presenting a green retreat in the dry lands of Rajasthan. It was built from 1710 to 1734 by Maharana Sangram Singh II for the royal ladies. As per legend, the garden was designed by the king himself and he presented this garden to his queen. The queen was accompanied by 48 maids in her marriage. To offer all of them pleasurable moments away from the political intrigues of the court, this garden was made. This patterned garden used to be the popular relaxing spot of the royal ladies. The queen with her maids and female companions used to come here for a stroll and spend their time in leisure. So Gogol, where have we arrived?
Fateh Sagar Lake.
How are you feeling?
I am feeling so good.
Good. The Fateh Sagar Lake is an artificial lake named after Maharana Fateh Singh of Udaipur and Mewat, constructed northwest of Udaipur to the north of Lake Pichola in the 1680s. There is a boating facility here in Fateh Sagar Lake, but currently it is not functional. This road goes by the side of Fateh Sagar Lake. A drive on this road is really very nice and you get to see the picturesque lake. On the other side of this lake you will see an aquarium. So we are thinking of going there right now. But the lake view is truly mesmerizing. Within the confines of the Fateh Sagar Lake there are 3 small islands. The largest of these is the Nehru Park, which is a popular tourist attraction. The second island houses a public park with an impressive water jet fountain, and the third island has the Udaipur Solar Observatory. The Nehru Park is accessible by motorboats. The blue waters of the lake and the backdrop of the green mountains provides mesmerizing views. So we have come to this aquarium here on the side of the Fateh Sagar Lake. For people who have interest in aquatic life, this aquarium is a must-visit place in Udaipur. This place has many species of fishes for display. Also, there are some fun activities that can be indulged in, like 3D underwater view, 3D photography, etc. However, these come at extra costs. Stay tuned for more places we visited in Udaipur on day 2. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos and click the bell icon to get prompt notifications whenever a new video is published. Also, please share this video with others who like to travel and explore new places.